Hey there, have you ever found yourself in a rush to achieve financial success? Maybe you've stumbled upon schemes promising quick wealth or felt the temptation to take shortcuts in your pursuit of prosperity. Well, today, let's delve into a profound proverb that sheds light on the pitfalls of chasing dishonest wealth and the wisdom of gradual, honest accumulation. In ancient times, the book of Proverbs offered practical guidance and timeless wisdom. The verse Proverbs 13:11 emphasizes the consequences of seeking quick, ill-gotten gains versus the virtue of patient, honest labor. Back then, as today, the allure of instant wealth often clashed with the values of hard work, prudence, and integrity. Think about the get-rich-quick schemes that bombard us daily, the promises of overnight success, doubling investments rapidly, or winning lotteries. But what happens more often than not? Many fall victim to scams, losing hard-earned money to schemes promising quick returns. Reflect on this. How does it feel when we realize that shortcuts often lead to disappointment, financial loss, and shattered dreams? The wisdom in this proverb is profound. It urges us to consider the consequences of our actions when it comes to wealth. By choosing honest, gradual accumulation over deceitful shortcuts, we ensure sustainable growth and stability. Conversely, the pursuit of dishonest gains can not only lead to financial ruin but also corrode our integrity and character. By embracing the lesson of this proverb, we can experience the satisfaction of building wealth steadily, brick by brick, through hard work and diligence. This method fosters a sense of security, discipline, and long-term financial stability. On the flip side, rushing for quick wealth may bring fleeting success but often ends in disillusionment, regret, and loss. This principle aligns beautifully with the ethos of personal development and stoicism. It underscores the value of patience, resilience, and the disciplined pursuit of goals. By staying grounded in honest efforts and managing finances wisely, we not only grow wealth but also cultivate virtues that contribute to a more fulfilling life. Remember, avoiding scams and pursuing wealth through honest means isn't just about financial gain, it's about integrity and character. Let's embrace the journey of steady growth, prioritizing hard work, wisdom, and patience, in line with principles that resonate with personal development and the timeless teachings of Proverbs. So, let's ask ourselves, are we chasing quick riches or investing in our future steadily? The choice lies in following the path of patience, diligence, and ethical wealth accumulation. Thanks a bunch for joining in today. I truly appreciate your time and attention. If you found something worthwhile here, a follow and a thumbs up would mean the world to me. Thanks a ton for being part of this discussion. Wishing you all growth, wisdom, and fulfillment ahead. Cheers.